Let me say, we are in the preliminary stages of this investigation. There's limited information that I can give, or we can give, the people standing here can give at this time. The Wilson County Sheriff's Office responded to a residence at 580 Vance Lane yesterday around 5 o'clock. Upon the patrol officer's arrival, there was an explosion as we was notified. Medical attention was rendered by officers and WEMA personnel. It was confirmed that one person was deceased at the scene. He was identified as John Setzer, 74 years of age. Another victim was transported to Vanderbilt Hospital by life flight. She's identified as Marion Setzer, 72 years of age. We're asking the general public, if anyone receives any type of package with suspicious circumstances, please contact their local law enforcement jurisdiction.